Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Kakaotalk account. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for Kakaotalk. Click on that, click on open that application. You need to first download. Here you need to have different options: phone, storage, access device information. Click on accept, click on allow, click on allow again, and here you need to add your email or phone number and then password. And here you can see the option of sign up. Here you can see all the terms and conditions, so you must need to accept all this and click on agree and continue. Here you need to add your number, click on ok. Here you can see that you will receive verification code on your number, so okay, click on that. Here you can see that verification option. So once here you can see that I need to send this to that, and after that I receive a code that I need to put here, and after that I can easily create an account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.